Episode 10 Missionary Work in Southeast Asia. Hello everyone. In our previous episode, we explored St Francis Xavier's mission in Japan. Today, we delve into another significant chapter of Xavier's life, his missionary work in Southeast Asia, particularly in places like Malacca and the Moluccas, and the challenges he faced while navigating cultural and political differences. Xavier's experiences in Southeast Asia. Xavier's journeys in Southeast Asia included stops at prominent locations like Malacca and the Moluccas, also known as the Spice Islands. These regions were crucial in Xavier's mission to spread Christianity. Cultural and political differences. The regions Xavier visited in Southeast Asia were characterized by diverse cultural and political landscapes. The cultural, linguistic, and religious diversity posed substantial challenges in conveying the Christian message and establishing a Christian presence. Experiences in Malacca. Xavier's experiences in Malacca, a bustling port city, were marked by diverse cultures due to its strategic location for trade. He faced a challenging task in bridging the cultural gap to communicate the Christian faith effectively. Challenges in Malacca. Cultural differences, linguistic barriers, and the deeply rooted local traditions created obstacles in conveying the Christian message to the inhabitants. The resistance to unfamiliar beliefs posed significant challenges to the growth of Christianity. Missions in the Moluccas. Xavier's missions in the Moluccas, renowned for their spice trade, presented similar challenges. The region's cultural and religious diversity, along with the political complexities, posed hurdles in the acceptance and growth of Christianity. Xavier strived to understand the nuances of the diverse cultures, adopting his approach to communicate the Christian message in a way that resonated with the local customs and traditions. However, these efforts were met with varying levels of success. The political environment also posed challenges. Xavier encountered political complexities that influenced the acceptance and growth of Christianity. Adapting to political dynamics while spreading the Christian faith presented additional hurdles. Legacy of Xavier's mission in Southeast Asia. Despite the challenges, Xavier's mission in Southeast Asia left a significant legacy. His endeavors laid the foundation for the growth of Christianity in the region, influencing the formation of Christian communities that persevered over time. St Francis Xavier's missionary work in Southeast Asia, including places like Malacca and the Moluccas, was marked by a myriad of challenges in navigating cultural and political differences. His efforts, although met with difficulties, contributing to the establishment of Christian communities that endured and expanded over the years. Thank you for joining me for this episode. In the historical context, Xavier's resilience and legacy in the face of these challenges further highlight the enduring impact of his missionary work.